to learn how to play. This one is for to ride in a bumblebee. This is silly one to ride in a bumblebee. That's a silly one to ride in a bumblebee. This one. Look, I see.
What happens in the story?
There's really bumblebees in this stroller. So, and you remember what this one is?
What is it?
Do you know what it is? It's C and S. C and S. K. You're right. I said K. K and S. Yes, K and S. And
Layla, can you tell us the story that you're reading?
okay. It's W and S. Right. It's T. Okay, let's see what happens to him. I don't know what happened to him.
You don't know? Maybe you should read it.
Okay. That's I and oh no, that says wiggle. And then that one says. Let me show that one. No, that one says wiggle.
That one says swa. The sound swa. When you put S and W together, as in the word swim.
Oh yeah, that was
Swim. Swim.
yeah, that was swim. And then what is